is what I've done. You need to make sure that you're using the right hook for the right part. Just get the frames together. So I'm gonna need another for this. Okay, let's get it done from this side. And on this side, do the same. And this one will hook up to this. Figure it out. So this, we hook up to this, and this to this side. I need 4 over there. The visual scene, just to describe whatever they stand for. This should go here. Observation here is that don't screw this part completely and also that side completely, because you're still going to pull the bed layer here. So you want to make sure that this place is well aligned to the center, and the only way you can tell is when you start putting that together to put it on it. That's when you can align it, and you cannot shift this to the center where everything will be well aligned. This together, this is what you can use to tell of this bed. So don't tighten up this part and don't tighten up the other part here. So this is already loosened, so I'll be putting everything together just to judge. So this is what you will be using to pull these in. That's also fitted, and then the last part. Alright, you can see I'm almost done with laying this platform on the bed. Now, one tip I want to show you is, on this side you will see there are 4 holes, and here 4 holes. Now the reason why they're there is just because of this. At the end I'm still going to leave this bed up and put this underneath to support the base. So that's the reason why you're having these 2 holes. You see that they're kind of different, because you will have to put in the screws on the side here to hold these. You've got 2 of them. One of them I'm using to support this base, so one is going to be here and the other one is going to be here. So don't get confused with that, just continue to follow the same dimension. Alright, as you can see, it comes with complete tools. So just use this to hold the knot down here, so that it doesn't. Then you turn it from this side, the hole here is not well drilled, so I need to use this screwed in. Alright, it's gone through now. Push it through. Should be the final up. Right, just make it to align. Put this there and use this to hook this part. Alright, this is the final setup. The bed is pretty low, so I know that is not really not what you well, it is well described, but basically when you look at it in the picture you think it is a very high bed. Maybe you want to put something extra on the base to increase the height of the design, to be honest, but I think I'll prefer it to be a bit higher than this. But for the price, I think it does what it, I think it's not bad. Okay.
Alright guys, this is the final part of the video. The assembling is now completed. This is a super king size, about 6 feet, and it is quite high if you have the right mattress in place, and I think it's really worth the price. It's not as low as I thought it was gonna be before I put a mattress on it, and now it's really superb, really superb. If you want to go for it, it's really worth the money. I would recommend or say it is really a good bed, really good bed. Nice frame and it's quite solid.